Yeah, but tomorrow I got meeting at 9, so I gotta wake up early.
See.
You should sleep now.
You sleep in the morning.
Yeah. I do work in the night.
Why?
Cause my brain cannot work in the day.
Huh?
I need to record my session.
I sleep 12 hours a day.
You fat pig, right? Sorry.
What?
Nothing.
So you just call a girl a pig, You have big balls. But it's okay. I want to see how it happened. Oh, does she understand you?
No, she didn't.
How do I say pig in Thai?
Buta.
Buddha is Japanese, you.
I don't know. Tim,
Japanese. What?
how do you say pig in Thai?
Pig?
Moo ah.
Attackers incoming.
Yeah, he just said you are a moo.
You sleep like a moo.
No.
12 hours ใช่ไหม
Huh?
12 hours sleep ไหน
I have no time for such frivolous.
Your Thai is like shit. She can't even.
I know, right? She don't even understand, you know.
Her Thai person cannot understand your Thai language means it's bad.
4,
Yes, yeah. I'm horrible. Shit.
attackers incoming. Defend
So
objective
you
A.
got all. Anyway, hopefully no Farah though. Really, really hopefully nothing there.
Oh shit, I did a shot.
So, Hanzo.
Fine, it's fine.
Wow, I missed again. Do we actually need to go up and play on top?
Only
Center.
Wow, I'm not getting any charge eh.
Ow.
I want to heal badly.
Oh, finally got one.
Oh!
Ooh, that's fast.
Hanzo, on the left side.
Dive here.
We gonna win.
High defense, high defense.
You got double frame strikes, yeah? I will break the frame strike and you frame strike at the same time. No wonder the Zara just
Oh,
wiped it out.
here comes the Farah.
We'll deal with it, we'll deal with it. Complete lah. Okay, so do the Farah, huh?
I'll try.
I'll try to.
Ouch.
Oh, the Zen is.
Oh! I got a shield!
Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
No, he took it. It's time to get the Farah already.
Can you come back?
Back.
Okay.
Very
Farah,
nice.
Farah low, Farah low.
Keep me up.
Help! Help! Heal me, heal me!
Woo! What the fuck was that?
Oh, fuck!
What's the best? Point, guys.
I killed the
Oh shit.
soldier was aiming our mercy.
I'm going to break, I'm going to break. Oh, oh. You guys freaking out?
I'm
Okay, so,
switching,
go
I'm
soldier,
switching,
go soldier.
Oh, I'm going soldier. Let me go soldier.
Okay, you go soldier, huh?
Oh! Oh my god, so close. I'm changing out.
You changing to what, eh?
You don't need to change.
Orisa.
Oh, that's fine too.
Visa online.
Objective lost.
Yep, Orisa online.
Payload.
Move.
I'm going up to
Alright,
the
on
front.
top.
Yeah, I'm coming, I'm coming. There was a soldier as well.
Yeah.
You need to cover me that side. The Ryan's on top as well.
Yep. Ow.
Lost? Is that shoot through the...
I cannot.
I hit the Farah, I hit the Farah. Farah, on top.
Yeah, I see him. He's coming for me. He's coming for me. Behind.
Oh, loud. That was damn tight.
Farah's low.
Did you drop the thing?
Oh shit, I cannot. You all need to do with the Farah.
I'm trying to.
Okay. I create space for you. I go and chase down the Farah.
You trust my McCree.
Then you play anything, I also trust him.
Ah,
Don't let them get the point.
lama. Dash in the wall. So lame.
Just waste. Okay, he wasted out.
So far.
It's fine.
Come back.
Wait, never mind, I got break shoot.
Oh no!
I don't quit till the fight.
So now you don't play McCree, ah?
Nah, not good McCree. So just my best.
Okay.
I can't play McCree.
Oh, Wilson, you're right now. I got break. I need.
Wow, I got clipped. I need rest me. Can rest me? Oh, Zen had a very nice shot.
I'm not a young man.
Walao.
Wow, getting wrecked.
I can't do anything.
I can't go out.
What can we do? I don't know what can I do anymore. I really don't know. I don't know. I go diva. Super thank you. Nice one. Kill him.
What's going on? Dive. You can advantage. Your start advantage.
Come in.
Everyone heal up.
So low.
Ah, the Farah so low. He's getting pocketed lah. I cannot. So hard to kill him.
I'm trying. That's what I'm gonna see right now. Hopefully they can.
Oh, I got slapped. Fuck.
Yes.
Nice kills. There's a.
Yeah, inside here. I actually use the word here.
Anyone need some healing?
Get back. The Farah is like being spam healed by the Ana. If I fight Farah, I need someone else to deal with the ground.
I almost got the bomb.
No! No! Get me out! Shit lah.
Wow, she's getting pocketed.
I nearly have out.
I also.
Let's go.
Someone has to go in.
Me.
I'm straight away dead.
Oi, the pin. Man.
Ooh. The point, let's go in.
I tried to delay.
Fine. They have 43 seconds?
Cannot lah. If I deal with Farah lah, someone else has to win the ground fight. And I don't think we have enough damage on the ground.
My hair is so annoying.
Your
Why?
hair.
Select
I
your
don't
hero.
know.
You never wash your hair for
I
how
need
many
to
days?
Tie my hair.
Bye.
I'm hungry. I'm gonna get.
Hey, what, Sola? You go, your Hanzo?
Ben, Diva. 一起 let's go.
Wait lah, you see Panda Nai.
With every death
我喜
comes
欢
honor.
因为你是木，对吗？
Shall we go double his scan for Farah?
Sure. You go Farah then we use okay? Don't have Farah, never mind.
Cause you're move.
Unpredictable.
Yeah,
I'm
just
not
now.
gonna-
Just now the problem is I shoot a Farah, he gets spam healed by Ana. Then
And Mercy also.
yeah, then and then the front line. If you lose the front line fight, I also cannot do anything.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
The front line, the Zara was always charged fully charged. Don't know who keeps shooting him when he was on bubble also.
Of course.
Oh, not me for sure.
Sometimes a measure of caution is needed.
I managed to hook the soldier so many times and kill him.
You know what the soldier was doing, right? Before I used my bomb at the last point, he was dancing. He was emoting.
Shit.
Right. ท่อนหน้าเสือฮะได้อ่ะ
I don't know.
Commencing. Capture objective A.
Marked by the dragon.
Stop, right. Then.
Zen dropped. I think he dropped.
All
Oh,
on the left side, all on the left
I
side.
need heal. I need heal. Behind you.
Soldiers on the top right, top left. Then go for him. Yeah, be okay first. Ooh, don't pass.
Oh no! Walao, that pin.
This is a very bad lineup because of the Barbara. Oh, come back, come back, come back.
I am not deterred.
Okay, there's no point for me to jump also.
I think I go Zara better lah, I go Zara. There's a Zara there side. Hey. Oh wow. The last one, we should go. Let's go.
Don't face slow. Don't face slow.
Where's
I need heal behind. I need heal behind.
He outside, they're outside. I need heal.
Please heal me on point.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a soldier behind.
Please heal me lah. I was waiting for 35 health for so long on point.
I must reclaim my honor.
Meteor strike.
Oh, okay. Which one you get out?
I'm changing already. Bastion, right?
Yeah.
I got a Zen down.
You don't die.
Try not to.
Just saying it's just
They're raising the Zen.
die then too bad
I need a heal.
Nice.
Oh, boy. Ouch. Wow, how did the soldier get there? I thought he was the... I didn't see the soldier at all.
Solo. Go for it, George, just go for it. 他们是不想射你哦。
Left side soldier. I got 3 kills.
Mercy.
I must redeem myself.
They're playing Reaper soldier now.
Change up.
I didn't see the bastion at all. What the fuck?
I killed him.
Oh, okay.
Standing still is like brief kill.
See through the dragon's
Oh, bastion is just straight ahead. They hit.
If Ana on top.
Go on top,
Ana no nade on top.
Oh.
Back first.
Yeah, back in. They really won't shoot you, man.
3 down. 4 down.
Oh fuck, got slapped.
5 down.
Alright, we know. I can see the kill feed, bro. I can see the kill feed.
Just letting you know.
Kill us, kill us, go.
Dive. Run the left side.
Go for you, be careful. Get a Zen first, drop it down. You will have chance.
Soldier low.
No, he got the two.
Ah, pocketed. Oh, just jump on top.
Motherfucker.
Pocketed behind.
Oh, yeah, it's pocketed. I can't do shit.
Why did the Farah out? Why?
You two, come back.
Come back.
You need to get rid of the Zen first. Oh, you know Zen. Good, I'm gonna go for that soon. Let's go for it.
Come in.
Oh, only one. I want one.
Can't see anything. I've out. Pocket me.
Oh my god, he's so low.
Twice.
Oh no. We're good.
Diva time. Oh, this was Zarya. I got Diva for what? What an idiot. Oh, nice. Let's go.
I'm going right side.
Do everything you need to do.
There's a Genji, so I need to be extra careful.
60 seconds remaining.
Oh no, that didn't work.
Wallah.
Wow.
Zarya low! Break the shield!
No.
Solo! Genji super low!
Pocketed. I can't do shit. One last push.
Why is Farah outing at stupid times?
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Get back. Oh no.
No more get back already. It's our last push already. We have to go in.
Wilson, get back. No, get back first. Get up first.
Bro, 3 seconds already.
Okay, go. I died. Whew.
Do you have any seconds left?
I don't think so. Come on. You're at 6 seconds to the point where we get expiring.
Oh, we have.
We have. We didn't
Of course we
overtime.
have, this is the thing is we have this moment but man, it's scary, man.
They might go
We need to dive
Farah.
hard.
Oh my.
This is how many? This 1 minute 30 seconds for
1
them.
minute only. They got 1 minute 33 seconds.
I don't know how to sleep after this, man. Seriously. Right now.
Okay. We play. What playing this? Can't slow push this. Actually can. I can either go Ryan or Rock. Definitely a Rock.
I can't rock.
Okay, then can you play Ryan? Okay.
Oh, why? I cannot play right now. You play me how long already?
Should we have a dive
Um,
tank?
Okay. For a reason, dive tank, I will take care of it. So I will take care of all the dive tank.
Wait.
I need somebody to shoot tank, no matter what. It's either Orisa or Orisa means slow push, but we only got 1 minute, so I doubt we can slow push much.
Wait. Can you play Ryan or something?
But if dive, can you play Hawk?
Shall I soldier just in case they're Farah?
Okay.
That works too.
Yeah, start already.
Never mind, screw it. Let's try.
60 seconds remaining. Capture objective A.
Okay, I gotta protect all you guys.
Sorry, Roger. I need to train more, but not right now. We just focus on what we can focus, okay? Yeah, let's say right now, I think.
Left or right?
Right, and then come over.
Wait,
Can see right side.
Heal. Heal.
No, hit us. Yeah, no, hit us.
Shit.
Yeah, no, hit us. We shouldn't lose.
Pressing. Diva, Diva, come.
This time I will not fail.
Don't worry about me. Get the point.
10 seconds remaining.
Somebody, if whoever one can change to a pirate ship.
Escort the payload.
Now can play pirate ship.
Huh?
No, forget it.
Okay, yeah. Stay on the payload. No one do the payload.
Okay, whoever die change pirate ship. Except for me.
Actually, I can try.
Got the Genji.
Oh, nice.
Ryan low.
I say, Mercy, kill Mercy.
Go.
He's damn low.
Can't see anything.
Okay,
I got a Z. I got a soldier, sorry.
Roger.
Yeah,
Oh, soldiers. Zen. Ah.
shield breaking. Recharging.
I got ult.
Stick to the payload.
I'm not.
I am.
Oh, we got chance.
Do not see that.
Block. Get down.
Wow, she full charge. Who the fuck shooting so much?
I don't have rest.
Solo.
Oh,
No.
Oh, I got no more match.
Right behind.
Not there.
Nice out.
Oh, nice.
That was damn nice out.
We can do this, guys.
Ah, so stressful.
Say this
I'm so stressed right now, man. Seriously.
No one need to pay lah. For me, I go forward.
I have a green.
None of us died yet. I thought we said
Shut up.
Heal. Care bomb Random Junkrat bomb
Oh, Ryan's low. Hawk left side.
Nice. Shield break.
Hawk low. I need heal. No! I bet he charged from.
Heal please.
He came from behind.
Heal please. I got rest. I got out.
What? Sorry.
Hold the point.
Yeah, Ryan went all the way behind, man.
Oh my god.
Hold the point. Nice. Hold the point. I'm coming ready.
Oh, Roger!
I was dead. I'm trying to run already.
It's fine. We push really fine.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Switching sides.
It's okay. It's very far.
Defenses.
Further than I ever thought.
Select your hero.
Hey, tomorrow you don't work lah. Go MC lah. You sit in like that. You still what?
With every death comes honor. With honor, redemption.
Is it okay?
No, then no, Zara, no. Cause I can't give you a charge. I'll always be under the shield.
Actually, no. Actually, it's fine. Just go Zarya. Build up your ult. We win. We one time can kill them.
But we only got 1 minute 30 seconds.
We just need to-
Okay.
Do you know where
Listen to the young
we
man.
pushed until?
Yeah, what they pushed? I'm so scared, yeah. But okay,
Just need to
let's-
win one fight.
Attackers incoming in 30
Actually,
seconds.
if not now, as of now, we need to win 2 fights.
Jung got a lot more. beans.
Are we going to second floor or what?
Yeah, sure.
At least this time I can bring them together.
Actually, I better not. Remember to drop if when you need to.
3,
Mm.
2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A. The barrier.
No hawk.
Hawk low.
Yeah, I'll see you there lah. They all left side. They all left side.
Yeah, I know. I see them. He low?
I'm dropping down. Careful.
I need a heal, please. Please save me.
Oh shit! I got killed by.
Come back down.
Nice move. Oh.
Okay, come back.
Oh shit.
Come on. Come here. Why is there no one there? We could have won. We should have gone up.
Come back.
30 seconds remaining.
Must redeem myself.
I come back. Don't die.
Hold fast.
Here behind the shield.
Just don't die. Okay.
Heal, I need heal.
Coming.
Yeah, okay.
Mercy low. Yes. Oh, that was.
That was tense.
I had to play out my mind this game.
Hey, you're not alone, okay? Please.
I did.
Play of the game.
Yeah, you're
You
not.
must never forget all your journeys
Ah.
supported by your teammate, huh?
GG.
It was damn nice.
Double, triple kill.
I thought you would actually kill the I have just standing.
Yeah, I did. I killed her in the end, but she was like jumping randomly, so it's very hard for me to shoot.
4K.
Oh my gosh.
I'll vote whoever that's not voted
I
yet.
gotta go. Bye bye.
Good night.
I gotta go already. Yeah, I still got mood for play one more games. Yeah.
want to see my final stats.
Cannot.
Actually, my damage per minute is not very high.
Bye.
Yeah, thanks for the game, Pim.
54.
Thanks for the game too.
12.
Tanaya,
Pim
Tayana.
Nala.
Is it
Pim-
Team Nala?
Yeah, Pim
Pim
Nala.
Nara.
Five,
Nara.
Pim Nara. Anutaya Naya.
No. Pim Nala. Supra in.
What? So Team Nala, Supra